You see, this time that people who produce what we eat, what we consume, they don't care about our health. They only care about their profits, their gain. I think it's time we take it serious and produce some of those things that we know that are not too difficult. The one that we know we can be able to produce by ourselves. And tomato paste is one of those food you can produce on your own. You know what you are eating. Chemical free, preservation free. This time around, do it yourself is the best way to go. So today I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can do tomatoes paste, how you can make tomatoes paste on your own at home. Very easy, very simple. As you see in this video, I have some fresh tomatoes, I have carrots, I have beetroot. Okay, so I'm going to wash everything very well. After that, I will go ahead and remove all the tomato seeds, cut into two. Then I will place them inside my pot the way you see me doing. Okay, guys? Yeah, I removed the seed after washing everything. I removed all the tomato seed. Then I cut into two equal parts. You can even decide to cut it more smaller, depends on you. Okay, so I'm adding my red bell pepper, just one red bell pepper. I added my beetroot, everything sliced, as you can see, both the carrot. So I will be adding cinnamon. I added 2 sticks of cinnamon, and I added garlic. Then I added some bay leaf. So no water. Okay, I'm just going to start cooking it. I did not add water. As we all know, tomatoes, once you are boiling it, it will start pumping out water. That is the water you are seeing inside. So I cooked that for a few minutes. Then it's time to blend everything. Okay, everything you see me put inside the pot is what I will put back into the blender to blend everything. Okay, guys, everything. Yeah, I'm going to blend everything. So after blending, I'm going to pour it back into pot so that we can cook on a low heat. Yeah, at this point I've done blending it. Look at how smooth and yummy is looking already. So I'm just going to cook this on a very low heat. You have to be stirring it often, okay, so that it won't get burned. Okay, so just like that, I will just keep stirring it like that until all the water will dry up. Yes, I still cook it for a few minutes. Okay, so at this point I was done. Look at how thick it look. Yes, look at how thick it look. So we have our homemade tomatoes paste ready. Let me know if you will be trying this out. Comment, share this video, and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for always watching our video. God bless you all guys so much. I appreciate. Stay tuned and remain blessed. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.